Bird's eye view from your chair. A bird's eye view from your chair. It's easier than flying in the air, 'cause hot air balloons is faster than scary for those who are afraid of heights. Virtual ride lifts you right into the sky. Reflected on the ground, it's like virtual reality, and that's how it's like for me. A bird's eye view is like me and you when you're inside on the ground in your chair. And now it's time for me to grab my granny's hair. And yes, it's time for me to have a feast. And now I demand you to take a seat. This is deep, like to breathe. And now, grandparents, take a seat. Yes, this is a bird's eye view from your chair. It's easier than in the air. Yours and balloons are expensive and can be scary for those who are afraid of heights. The light lifts you right into the sky while you're planted firmly on the ground. And that's how it is, and when you go down the road to Bird's Eye, oh yeah, Bird's Eye view.